nahalan numan muilan den nap mai numan muilan mai ngonang sa tawa mong hamatay na Tamana last class ma Noah hayang Enoch chata hanga kawang pa yen hayang hanga imana kawang tamanyong pa tamana chayang ki Tanapo tamana pungaw cha chaylak hayang ato pungawa Jisu hayang ishamba Matthew chung pungaw ngana Ato pungawa Mark pong ni aleng tamalam mapupun manyet matawlak Tau kay numan New Bible app yang ato pungaw te leya sa inang hayang anyo hay palan numano na halanda chum shi sa inang Awang na numana kangan chaiba a awishi shungya. Kangan chaiba means tax collector. Okay, so Matthew a hatu pungaw ma a kangan chaiba nang wanang. So let us listen to the story. Jisu a yong bumin ngai kata chanang ngoyang ki hayang I apakan makem. Tau ma katalan ma asa chama ngoyang ki. Matthew a like I said before kangan chaiba nang ngoyang ki hayang kata nyuha I office de kangan palak chungne bayango hayang kata ma bu Matthew de yileng hangi chungne se igama iya kangan chaibane myang bu chungne ni ja obe Jisu ke mangoya pe Matthew kangan chaya ni Jisu Matthew yen chaile yang kata amene myang lak se iya shunga ya to kai Jisu Matthew tang de win hayang hado ki I Matthew pai de woi kai Nanga ata jamna tam hunang sa I. I want you to help me sa Jisua Matthew de I. Tawa nang kaya mi ita kawanga numanda leng nang sa ina tam hunang sa roki Jisua Matthew de I. Hataw chayanga Matthew yong mong may. Iya ingin kok taw hayanga Jisu pai de woi. Sa aji Matthew a Jisu chung penne meng hayanga Jisu de jamango. Nija Matthew de Tawa shamba Jisu de menyong pune tui me atem lung okshipang sete hapoi hangi sete wande Matthew Jisu chungne anpong pong tam tahu ate Jisu hayang I shambalan Matthew nokte anpong pong halak chungne win ope iman taw mangoya pe taw wanda ma bu anu katalan hayang ma bu kangen chaipalan iman pe jem ha Matthew hayang I shampalan imane kawang hang lengne tem huya pe se te bu jingne imane Jisu ma bu ching yalak jingne chayango hayang imane cheme te ngau ni he nyai hayang imane yong hibak amai cha ngoya adoki chamse ngoyang ki hapo kata adam farasilan oyene Matthew yileng imane tong Hangna numan nyopa a kangan chai balan anu lan pei chama habushi zarokieton. Ope Jisu to chaya pe iya I. Oyen mayango taulan chungna Dr. Wompong Yechi. Whoever is fine, whoever is not sick, they don't need a doctor. Hayang boy tak balan chungna Wompong, but the sick needs the doctor. Likewise, Matthew hay I shampalano Tau iman pay ngola ka bungpong saroke Jisu iman de chanyang ki. Hayang I. Yen tau jambu yahu iman de tau jamla. Saroke Jisu iman de chanyang ki. Tamana hata bungaw ma hangi shungaya bushi se ima. Tamana Matthew hang numbukata tamana shungya. Hayang Jisu Matthew de hang ibushi tamana chayang ki. We've also learned that Jesus and Matthew were good friends and they were helping each other. Matthew was helping Jesus being his disciple. Jesus was helping Matthew to be a better person. Numano Jisu naman jang shamba amene mengne temhuya. Hugama what you have to do is you have to pray to God, you have to humble yourself, you have to ask God to help you, you have to ask Him whatever you need, whatever you want, and He is ever ready to help you. Jisu taman wongpong shengnang, hayang jamlak chengna chente temahei tanang. He is ever ready to help us. Iya taman moilan chengna chente shamba amene ngonang. He is a good friend of ours. What we have to do is we have to come to Him, we have to pray to Him, we have to ask His help. We have to ask Him what we need. So today I believe that after listening to this story, you will pray to God, make Jesus as your friend because He is your friend, and tell Him whatever you need, whatever you want, and He will definitely answer you. Oyena hato pungao chaya pe kawangan numan moilanda moimanshi. Tana putaman chung mongao alenga luk apong penmatu aleng pen. Hang chungna kata aha yamlak hayanga oyen ma ngo yenlak chungna pe. Hato tana muputaman chung mongao nganang okay, please try to learn this hayanga nyuhai palan numano nahalanda chumshi. And next class also we will listen to other stories. Till then, please take care of yourself and please obey your parents. Stay indoors. Don't go out if it is not necessary. Have healthy food. Drink lots of water and take care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you.